I don't have what? What? They're gonna ask you questions. Jesse does.
Hey, Jesse doesn't?
What do we have to do? You got some money? What are you on there?
We're suing your ass. We're suing your ass, buddy. We're suing your ass.
Charles, shut up! Shut up! Yeah, you need to turn your choke off and turn your blinkers on. That's gonna show me. My neck hurts.
That's your ass, buddy.
Hey, we were just fucking around. We seen him hit you, and I started screaming
See,
out the window.
because we were in the drive-thru and I knew he was talking like.
Don't let him
John.
You need to, turn
John,
your
what the
choke
fuck?
off.
He's gonna hit your ass.
The police are on their way.
Hey, he finna leave.
John,
I hope you got it, motherfucker.
I'm not trying to watch you get hit.
Don't hit my sister, man. I'm about to fuck you up.
Stay here.
It's okay, because if he leaves, I got his license plate number. He's going to jail. If you leave, you're going to jail because you're drunk driving and I already called the police on your truck.
Yellow.
You just hit my truck.
Hey.
Come on with that, man.
Hit me.
Oh my God, he's freaking leaving.
Yeah, bro. Get that nigga hit the truck, drove out, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just left.
Yeah, he's really drunk.
Yeah, he drove
Did y'all get the license plates?
Yeah, we got it.
Can I get it?
Dude, I